Alright guys, today is the Sunset GT. Now the real question is which car to take. We got the V6 F-Type SVR or the infamous 200,000 mile Prius. Let's go with the SVR. But today's gonna be pretty interesting because the Sunset GT show, they're experiencing quite a few problems with F-Boys. Make sure I got everything here, my sweater, here we go. 8:54, starts in 6 minutes. Let's head over there and I'll talk about the precarious situation that show is in right now. Alright, so for those who are uninitiated with the Sunset GT show, apparently all the F-Boys and craziness and just hooligans kind of messed up the show. So, I guess there's a much larger police presence. Oh, nice, AMG GTR over there. Oh, what the? Oh, speak of the devil, the police. What has transpired here to cause them to block one of the lanes? That's pretty inconvenient. Yes, much larger police presence. There's a cop at the entrance. There's another cop right over there. There's 4 damn cops. Oh, check this out. Classy. Oh, that's nice. There we go. Got the events door. So a lot of the cars that didn't register are parked on the street. So it's quite the pickle that this show is in. Oh, that's nice. There we go. And we got a Black Series out front. Oh, there's a GT3 RS. Oh, look at this wrap. What the heck? Pretty funky. Oh, yep. There's a cop here. There's 2 down there. Oh, got pretty upset drivers here as well. But you do have to register to even enter the show as a bystander, not just to display your car. So the rules have definitely changed. So what's happening here is some of the cars are being rejected because they didn't sign up in advance. Got a green Performante there. So they announced this change on Instagram and social media. I don't know if all the people got the memo, so that presents another problem in itself. So it's kind of a weird situation having everyone register with a driver's license and information just to attend the show. Oh, we got barricades here to make sure people don't stand in the middle of the street. That too was also an issue in the past few shows. The show just gotten way too big and they're doing their best. Why can't you make a left turn? Yeah, that's weird. Oh, see, that's what happens when you don't register. You get rejected, bro. Yeah, it sucks. Oh. What?
That's creating more danger than if we just made the left turn.
Oh, no left turns, dude. Jeez.
Right turn, right turn. Right turn only.
Man. Woo.
I didn't get a good picture of it because they had to find
That's yeah, it's a pretty nice spec.
yeah.
Out of nowhere, very nice. I know, yeah. I got the VIP Sunset GT badge here. The rules, don't mess them up, guys.
The S5 experience.
Do not speed. Oh, no drones are permitted either. Oh. Oh. Oh, I got it. I got it. The one and only dog spot. Oh, man, he made a left turn. Oh, no.
Technically, it's not even.
Damn.
He's probably going to get a warning.
No, everyone's just going to turn left.
Oh, no.
Scud and G-Wagon. Matching.
That guy's going to get a warning.
Yeah, they're just going to give him a warning. See, everyone's going to make the left. Check out the wrap and the wheels. Oh, yeah.
Oh,
Everyone's just making the left now. That's funny, dude.
After my
motherfucking bitch.
And I thought he would be here.
Came for it.
And he really here.
Yeah.
The room though. Get all this bush out the way. Fuck out the way.
Every car you got.
Fuck out the way.
I tried to, yeah.
Good. Go. Go, bitch.
Honestly, that guy.
God damn, that motherfucker loud as shit.
Yeah. Got it.
How you do it? Oh. Let's see it. Come on. Get that bush out the way. Go. Nigga, nasty that motherfucker, nigga.
Oh, they got an escort? No way. I'm sorry.
Only for the prayer.
So these guys can make left turns and no one else can.
Hey, let's see it, boss. Let's see it. Go.
Dude, peer pressure, bro. That's a nice color. It's coming fast. That's a P1. There we go.
Hey, let's see it, boss. Let's see it.
Nice. There it is. Check out all the cops over there too.
Alright, Sunset GT is over, headed to Beverly Hills. I give Sunset GT a solid 7 out of 10 rating. Still a very solid show. Hopefully no cops in Beverly Hills or Rodeo today, but we're probably not going to see anything, so it doesn't even matter. The city has imposed these restrictions, so it's not really their fault. But I give it 7 out of 10. Solid 7 out of 10. Still a pretty good show. Check this out. We got a whole flock of cyclists stealing our precious car lanes. Nah, whatever. It's all good. Oh, a V6F type. Nice.
Uh-oh. Scott. Nice. Whoa, we got the whole squad. Man's got a new wrap, new exhaust. Oh, he's flexing with the... Oh, no, is that a ticket? Oh, man, they nailed him. Dude, what are you doing? You can't park like that. Ooh. Whoa. Whoa.
Do you live up here or?
Whoa, we got a whole gaggle of supercars. Whoa. Let's do some polarizing action. Shazam. My camcorder battery's at 1%, so oh dear Lord. One more. The ultimate Snapchat. Now I'm gonna get copyrighted, I think. Alright, got the Ferrari limo. We got the Star Trek tour, except there's only one person in the van. Respect. Officially found the ultimate fuckboy Orama license plate. On an M3 nonetheless. Don't F with me. Dude. Sponsor that shit, boy. Oh, yeah. Oh, I'm getting cock blocked here. Oh, no. Dude, he's getting the candid shot. She's pretending to be busy on her phone. He's getting... Oh. Oh, very nice, bro. Whoa, wheelies. Hell yeah. Dude, the whole bicycle squad. Get the B-roll. And we got the dog spot of the day. No, we got the dog spot at Sunset GT. when I was sliding around in the back of the car. Check this out. He's got the Valentine's decorations and the dog. Nice. Oh, dude, he's got his whole car decked out.
Oh, that's.
They're still filming B-roll in the $20,000 Rolls Royce. Oh, and we got. Dude, that first gear life, bro. Let me know in the comments below what kind of dog that is. And it's gone. Oh, son of a. Wait, he's back. He's back. That's a fantastic 10 out of 10 A+ dog right there. Dude, what the hell? Dude, white people, dude. Oh my god.